check this out. We have a sign right outside the gift shop for Mako. It says Thrill Fest Ride Night. Mako Tech Tour starts here at 1 p.m. and 2:30. Go behind the scenes at Mako. See our coaster house and hear from maintenance leadership about how we care for these amazing machines. Limited to 50 people per tour, and there's only 2 of them. What's up, guys? We're here at SeaWorld Orlando doing a live video of a special tour from Mako. So again, today is National Roller Coaster Day. We're going to be going into the maintenance barn for Mako. Go. So we are backstage. Not advised normally to do this. You will be trespassed. But yes, today's a special day. And this is the first tour that I have ever known of where we can go inside the maintenance barn. And this is the 1 o'clock tour. They have another one at 2:30.
I'm jealous.
Brought that back to America as well as flying back somewhere.
And here we are. We're inside the maintenance barn.
This is just like every other ride.
Meanwhile, thank you, Raptor Joe.
Bar pads, all sorts of other stuff in here. Random bearings, lots of neat stuff. Part of the restraints there. Everything is very organized, kept together well. And then this is really cool. Schematics. That would be for the lift motor, it looks like.
In just a little bit, you'll see a train in there. There's actually 2 in there right now. We have a problem with one we're fixing. The other train just came out of the engine. We just put it back together. It's down here, about 500 pieces. We got it in here about 3 weeks ago. Every piece on the train comes apart once a year. It's an NDT process, non-destructive testing. A lot of people ask how trains go on and off the track. You guys like it.
And there we go. So the track is coming over right now. And then what they'll do is they'll put this in place, train will roll forward, and we get another train on the track. Alright, so train is there. safety guard moves, and now the train slides over. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you transfer on or off a train.
Pretty neat. It's something everybody doesn't get to see, but you guys got to see it. So we can go up to the second level. Now when you walk in, there's a train that's going to be right there. Kind of duck under it and keep moving. Watch your head. Please watch your head, everybody. Be careful going up the steps, because it did rain.
Here we are, just about to head up second level.
It's like your size.
And here we are. Mako! You know, just in case you need a spare wheel assembly.
We do have them.
And that's it. So we had a chance to do the maintenance barn, get up close and personal with one of the trains, and we even saw them transfer a train onto the track, so really kind of neat. Now we're heading back towards the station area. Gotta love Mako. And just like the other tours that we've done in the past, at the very end they allow you to ride, and we're about to get a ride on Mako. I'm getting really close to 1,000 rides on this thing. Hopefully within the next couple weeks, that'll happen. And our chariot has arrived. Well guys, that's going to do it for our video here from SeaWorld Orlando on National Roller Coaster Day, and it was really kind of neat being able to do the Mako Tech Tour when we went inside the maintenance barn, saw everything is taken apart and put back together And then we also saw a train that was transferred onto the track. Really kind of neat, and hopefully we're going to have more tours from here. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.